In number 1, the two angles together form, as you can see, the right angle. See the box there for the right angle. So we know right angles add up to 90 degrees. So this pair of angles is complementary, which tells us that they equal 90 degrees. So we don't know the value of x, but we know whatever x is plus 62 degrees will give us 90 degrees. So at this point we just solve the equation. We have to subtract 62 from both sides. And so we know that x equals 28 degrees. And 28 plus 62 would give us 90 degrees. In number 2, the two angles together form a straight angle, which means it's 180 degrees, which means they are supplementary. So we are going to take the value of this angle, 2x plus 30, and add it to the value of this other angle, 2x minus 10, and we know that their sum should be 180 degrees. Now we have to simplify and solve the equation. 2x plus 2x is 4x. 30 minus 10 is 20. We have 4x plus 20 equals 180. We'll subtract 20 from both sides. So 4x equals 160. Then we divide both sides by 4, and x equals 40 degrees. If we have one like number 5, these angles are across from each other. We call those vertical angles, and vertical angles are congruent, which means they have the same measure. So that means 11y minus 36 has to equal 63 because these two angles are vertical, and again, as I said, vertical angles are congruent, meaning they have the same angle measure. So 11y minus 36 equals 63. We add 36 to both sides, and we're left with 11y equals 99. We divide both sides by 11, and y equals 9. Now when we have triangles, in our triangles, we know that the measures of all three angles in a triangle equals 180 degrees. So we have to add these three values, the 2x minus 6, the 2 plus 4x, and the 40, to equal 180. So we have 2x minus 6. Remember, the order that you list these does not matter as long as you list the values of all three angles. So now we simplify this expression, or this equation, and then we solve it. 2x plus 4x is 6x. We have minus 6 plus 2 plus 40. So negative 6 plus positive 2 is negative 4. And then negative 4 plus 40 is 36. Equals 180. Or you could add the two positive numbers, the 40 plus 42 together, and then add the negative 6 in, or subtract 6 from it. You would get 36 as well. Now we go ahead and solve the equation from this point. We subtract 36 from both sides. And we have 6x equals 144. And when we divide both sides by 6, x would equal 24 degrees.